Zoning certificate. How to apply for a zoning certificate in Toronto City. Prior to zoning study. A property survey is required before starting any zoning study. Confirms lot size, boundaries, and existing building location. Interior renovations. Zoning approval is not required if no changes affect the building envelope. Exterior or structural changes require zoning review. Changes to building height. Extensions to depth or width. Alterations to exterior walls or footprint. Zoning study ensures compliance with setbacks, lot coverage, floor space index, FSI/GFA, building height limits, and other bylaw requirements. Zoning study. Use the interactive zoning bylaw map. map.toronto.ca/zoning. Expand legend, top left. Turn on height and lot coverage layers. Click the property zone to view the zoning label. Record zoning information. Zoning label, for example, RD, F6.0, A185, D0.75. Review bylaw details. Link to bylaw section for setbacks, wall height, landscaping, etc. Link to the chapter for general rules. Check exceptions that may apply to the property. Property zoning documentation and analysis. Calculate permitted GFA. Use lot area times allowable density, FSI. Example, 5,000 square feet lot times 0.75 is equal to 3,750 square feet maximum GFA. Create a zoning shell diagram on the site plan. Show setbacks, building length, and max footprint. Note all trees, city, private, neighbor/boundary. Apply tree protection zones, see tree protection specs. Check additional property designations. Heritage, special approvals may apply, Heritage Registry. Ravine and TRCA, Toronto map. Enter property address. Expand, administrative boundaries, check ravine and TRCA layers. Preparing zoning submission. Create exterior elevation base drawing. Show established grade, per city definition, and actual grade at front/rear. Indicate allowable overall building height measured from established grade. Helps confirm floor heights and entry access. Why established grade matters. City bylaw measures height from established grade, not uneven site ground. This affects zoning compliance for maximum height and floor levels. Use Toronto resources. Illustrated zoning bylaw guide explains height, FSI, setbacks, coverage. Chapter 800 definitions defines established grade, height, and other zoning terms. Submission package. Complete zoning applicable law certificate, ZALC, form. Gather required documents. Survey. Site plan. Floor plans. Exterior elevations with zoning dimensions notes. Email full package to buildapplications@toronto.ca. Max 25 megabytes, request SFTP if larger. Include property address in subject line. Review process and timeline. After submission. Receive confirmation email plus payment instructions. Owner makes payment to initiate review. Typical review, 3 to 4 weeks. Outcome. Request for more information or list of required variances. Once variances are confirmed. Use zoning review outcome to prepare for Committee of Adjustment, COA, submission. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful and would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay updated with new content.